Good morning, children. Class 11. We will continue with the our next topic on MySQL. Okay, this is a common video. We can say this will help for in class 12th children also and helpful for 11th class also. Okay. Now our still now we have seen different types of data types. What do you mean by DDL and DML? Okay, now we will see to create a table, how to create a database, how to create a table, how you will insert the records. Okay, now first we will see, first we have to make first step for every time you create a database. Database in another way, if I say that database is just like a folder. Okay, in that you will be having number of files. Suppose you are having a folder of class 11. Okay, in that folder you are having different files. For English you are having a separate file, for Hindi, for maths you are having separate file, for physics, chemistry you are having separate for file, or you can say for accounts, business studies you are having the separate file. Okay, so database is just like a folder in which you are having number of files like known as tables. Okay, now first we have to create a database. First this is to create a database. Okay, how you will create a database? Create database name. This is the command. Just write. Create database name. This is your syntax, and semicolon is for the termination of the statement. Termination means the end of the statement. Okay, this is your command. Now example is your create database school. Okay, what it will happen, what it will does, it will create a folder. Okay, so this is your database, and now whatever the files, your tables you will create, it will create and store in this database only. Okay, now to next one is how to use it, how to activate the database. Okay, activate, we can say a database. How to activate a database? Okay, use database name. Okay, so what you will do, you will write what is our database name, school. So you will write use school. Okay, you can this is not case sensitive. MySQL is not case sensitive. You can write in capitals, it will accept. If you write in small, it will accept. If you write mix, then also it will accept. Okay, so now you have activate a database, you can say, you have opened the database, you can say opening a database. So you have given the command use school. Next we will see how to create a table. Okay, third one is to create a table. To create a table. Table means, just for example I am telling you, this is your table. Okay, table is a combination of rows and columns. This is your ID, name of student, date of birth, then marks we have taken. Okay, right, now this is the table. Table name, let us take as details. Details is a table and your database is school. Okay, school is your database, and that you are having table name, details, and the details having the column names as ID, name, date of birth, and marks. Now how we have to create a table. Now this is the syntax I am writing. Create table name. Okay. Now bracket will open. Column 1, then data type, then size, comma, column 2, data type, size. In the similar way it will go on until number of columns, how many columns you want, you will have to first write it down. Okay. Now we will example how you will write. First, what it has written, create table. Create table. Table name. What is the table name? Table name is details. Okay, details. Now next, what it is? Column 1. Column 1 is ID. Data type is, we take it as int, numeric. 5 we have given the size. Comma. Next is name. Name. Varchar 30 we have given, comma, date of birth, ID name, date by default it will take YYYYMMDD. Okay, date of birth, DOB space date, comma, marks we will take as in decimal 6, 2. Okay, 6 means total number of digits is 6 digits and decimal will be of 2 digits. After point there are 2 decimal on the right side. This is completed and the whole bracket and semicolon. Okay, now it will create a table for you in this way. Okay, so let us see once again. We will see now how to create a database. Create database name. Okay, example, create database school. Now how to open a database, how to activate that database, use database name. Okay, so we have what is the name of the database? Here we have taken school, so use school, semicolon. In every statement of MySQL you will be having the semicolon at the end. Okay, now we have to create a table. How do you will create table name, then column 1 data type size, comma, column 2 data type size, comma, in the same way it will go on. Okay, now example for this is create table details. ID we have taken int, data type will be integer value, so int, and 5 is the size, the memory space for each row. Okay, next is name, varchar 30. Name is a column name, this is your data type, and this is the size. Third one is DOB, date of birth. Date only we have taken because it is fixed, YYYYY dash MM dash DD. Okay, so the format will be same every time, so there is no size given. Next, marks, column name, decimal we have taken because marks can be in the decimal, dot, 66.8, 89.9, like this. Okay, then decimal 6, 2. 6 is the maximum length of the number, and including you are having 2 decimal points. So 4, dot 2 we can say. Okay.